Everyone, a special thank you to Cameron in Willingboro, New Jersey. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. Cameron got the Oakley Deadbolt. This is model number 5141. It comes in one size, the 50i size. It only comes in a couple colors now. He's got it in he purchased it in color 02, the Pewter, I believe it's called. I'll have a link in the description below. Of course, you get the Oakley hard shell case. There's a cleaning cloth with it. He got the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray with the Duravision Platinum Anti-Glare. Now, this is what they look like clear. Of course, great styling on the Deadbolt. I love the three-dimensional engraving on the inside of that. It's got the holes there on each one. But this is what they look like clear. Let me go ahead and give them a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for them to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, this is important. Everyone pay attention. All photochromic lenses will turn dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, so your dashboard does not crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, having said that, these Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. He also has the Duravision Platinum, which I'll explain a little later. But the other thing about the photochromic lenses, they're also temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray is designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside, and they will get darker in hotter weather. Now, August is behind us. We're now into September, but if you live in a hot climate, California, Texas, Florida, Louisiana, or you just want the darkest lens possible, get the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray. The regular Zeiss Photofusion gray, brown, green, and blue block 30 to 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices. These extra dark gray block 50 to 70%. So they have that quality as well. Now, he got the premium cream of the crop Duravision Platinum Anti-Glare. That adds $99. The Photofusion Extra Gray is $129, and this frame sells for $320, and it comes with one free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses. I can do lenses only for a frame. I just charge $49 for the lenses, and then $129 for the Extra Gray and $99 for the Platinum. All purchases are tax-free with free shipping anywhere in the U.S. But if you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. I gave them 2 strong bursts of extremely close to an ultraviolet lamp, so that's why they're a little slower to turn back right now. But Cameron in Willingboro, New Jersey, thank you so much for the purchase of these lenses and your Oakley. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Now, subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face in the bottom of the screen. You can hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as it becomes available. But thanks for watching. And again, that's how I bring that love and feeling back to glasses. Thank you.